Okay, so in this video I'm going to go over some overall functions of the thyroid gland and the thyroid hormones, as well as some of the vitamins and minerals that are needed to synthesize thyroxine and triiodothyronine. So pretty much everything's on the board. I'm just going to kind of walk through it. We'll start with the function. Okay, so the function of the thyroid and thyroid gland includes growth and development of all organs, especially the brain, reproductive organs, nerves, bones, skin, hair, nails, and teeth. Thyroxine and triiodothyronine are also critical for the regulation of proper body weight, as well as the manufacturing of proteins, cholesterol synthesis, carbohydrate absorption, and the conversion of carotene into vitamin A. Okay, so for the synthesis of thyroxine and triiodothyronine from the precursor thyroglobulin, we're going to need the trace element vanadium, which is in about 100 micrograms throughout the body, so it's a trace element, vitamin B3 or niacin, and we're going to need vitamin C because thyroglobulin is broken down the lysosome, as I showed in part 1 of the thyroid gland, by hydrogen peroxide, and hydrogen peroxide is made with vitamin C. Obviously we need iodine, and we're going to need selenium. And in fact, there are a group of enzymes here called thyroid hormone deiodinases, and they're responsible for creating thyroxine and triiodothyronine, and they actually have a modified amino acid that uses selenium right here. So it's this is necessary for these enzymes to function correctly. So we need selenium, and to convert T4 into T3, or thyroxine into triiodothyronine, we're going to need iodine, selenium, zinc, iron, progesterone, which is a sex hormone, and it's secreted by the ovaries and the adrenal cortex, or the adrenal glands. Cortisol, which is also secreted by the adrenal glands, and cortisol in itself helps also regulate metabolism of fats, proteins, and carbohydrates. And we're also going to need glutathione to convert T4 into T3. And glutathione, if you go back into my thyroid gland part 1 video, it's glutathione that actually carries T3 from the cell membrane into the inner mitochondrial membrane where the receptors for these thyroid hormones are. So we're going to need glutathione not only for the conversion of T4 to T3, but also to help carry these hormones to the receptor in the mitochondria. What else? Anything else on the board that I missed here? Oh, and one more thing here. In my vitamin and mineral book, and I'm going to leave these sources in the content box below, iron actually reduces the absorption of thyroxine by the body. However, iron is necessary for the conversion of T4 into T3. So that's a little some function of the thyroid gland and the thyroid hormones, and some of the vitamins and minerals that we need to synthesize T4 and T3. Okay, thanks.